In case you are planning to join Nigeria Army, come here wetin this boy talk o. Him be Nigeria Army o. He don come outside come explain how they take dey eat 1,500 food. Oh God, no be small thing. Tinubu government. As that one dey happen, the social world don tell say Nigeria don run comot for the country o. He say e remain small that any day wey immigration officers do small mistake, don't open the door, he say everybody go japa comot for the country. No be small thing o. As that one dey happen o, there's one of the Ohanezes ndị Igbo don come outside come tell Nigeria government the way out na to dialogue and to negotiate with people wey dey fight for Biafras, with Simon Ekpa and other people wey dey fight for Biafra as well. If they refuse to do this one o, he say they no dey capable to stand wetin dey their front. My people, mo go find out how this one take dey happen o. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to the Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here, dey bring you update back to back as e dey hot. My people o, make we quickly drop this matter into this matter wey we get for our hand o. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, may you quickly subscribe and also follow this page for more update as e dey hot. My people, let's jump into the matter wey we get for our hand today. They say Nigeria Army don cry come outside o. They say the canned food and the canned how Nigeria people take dey respect them. Say e no good though. You know as they call watch wetin happen for Israel, where people lie for street, they give their military food, say make they go defend their country. Now the man call watch o. He come outside, come talk say how see as he come be o. Even though they pass, they walk out for road. Now so they go one just they be like say many people don't they give them the slap. Oh my people, may no be like say they talk too much. I'm going to play the video for you to watch. Then we'll come back. Come continue. We'll go a lot of story to hear today.
If you will be saved, now won't join the Nigerian Army. Before you join the Nigerian Army, come here waiting the chief of defense staff will be say him talk. Make you watch and make you listen to Ram, and also make you share them to that your brother will be saying they wish to join the Nigerian Army. There are things where we say most of us we don't know. Most of us if you say all this army then they enjoy. Most of us they think say all these are uniform people then they live well. But make una hear them from your own mouth. The way we say in talk am. As you watch this video, make you share am, make you drop your opinion. Whether you go feel still like to join the work or you no go like to join the work, make you listen to wetin him talk. As you watch am, make you share am, listen to am.
After some of it, we need to do more. We need to renovate the old ones because they've been there for ages, so that we can fix them. My dream is for every officer and soldier to have an accommodation that he can look up and say, look, this is my own, this is my barracks. We find a lot because of the operations we are conducting. A lot of the officers and soldiers are out there in the field. If today all these operations are over and we have to go back to the barracks, there won't be enough barracks for us. The issue of ration cash allowance where we feed, like I'm sure informed you, anytime we're on operations, I, as a general, I'm being fed on 1,200 per day with my soldiers, from the first general to the last soldier. The same amount. That's what we manage with. My soldier collects at least less than 50,000 for his salary a month. We all know the situations on ground. My appeal is for them to have salaries that is worth it for the work they're doing. We deserve to have that, so that they can encourage them to want to do more. We have a lot of them that have been injured, families separated for a very long time. These are aspects that we think the moral aspect of it that will actually ginger the troops to want to do more. And especially on the issue of Nigerians also encouraging the men. I mean, we have seen other countries when military men come into airports, how they are being applauded. They get first class treatments wherever they go to. When they go to buy things, they get rebate. We don't get all those things in Nigeria. And yet we're doing such services. We're not saying that everybody should give us everything that we need, but I think we should be considered, and the troops deserve commendation. I have told you as a commander, my greatest pain is when I have to face the family of my either officer or soldier to tell them they lost their breadwinner. It is painful. You go back with nightmares when you close your eyes. Nigerians should understand that these people have their families all over. Just the way we're enjoying with our, now it's holiday period. A lot of people are on holidays, have traveled abroad. We don't have that luxury. Most times you don't get to see your family all over this period. These are sacrifices they make, and I think we should look at the aspect of trying to commend them.
Yeah, my people, welcome back to Balabas G's. As you don't watch that video, say you don't hear them, so the choice is left for you. There's no need to talk much about this matter. Oh God. As we they talk that one, they say that Showore don't tell Nigeria say me they call Mose revolution. As in the shade they and they shout revolution. You look back, can't see say nobody there again. Everybody done jackpot and Showore come provoke. He say when the jackpot they come up for this country. Now who go come do the revolution, take the country back? I beg, may you watch this video, may you hear and watch wetin they go on.
The jackpot syndrome, right? But you see, I have said this before, and I said this in relation to the agitation for some people to leave Nigeria. That the people agitating are a minority. The Kanos of this world, the Kanos of this world, they are a minority. Majority of Nigerians have seceded mentally from Nigeria. They're just trapped here. If people could leave, if there was a gateway to leave, there would be practically nobody left. There will be only 20% of what is Nigeria today left in Nigeria. So, and it's because Nigeria has failed in every sector and failed everybody, old, young, female, male, everybody. Nigeria even has failed those who failed it. Some of the people who destroyed Nigeria, they themselves have been failed by Nigeria. Some of them can't get treatment when they need it. Now that they are old and the old money is no longer there. Because if you stole 10,000 naira in 1980, it was more than $10,000. But today, 10,000 naira is not up to $1. But at that time, it was a big deal because you could buy a Volkswagen, 2 of them, 3 of them, with $10,000 in 1980. You get my point? But you cannot fill your tank, like a quarter of your tank today with 10,000 naira. Are you getting my point? You get the maths? So, there's nothing to tell them. I've done it before. I went away for 20 years. But what I can tell them from my experience is that if you jackpot, someday you jackpot that because the place we are going to was created by people who didn't jackpot when they had issues. So let's stay here, do the revolution and rescue our country, take back our country. And you discover that you have nothing to jackpot. You have the best weather, no natural disasters. In the US, tornadoes are ripping cities apart. Tsunami is there, man-made disasters, so war. But here, we're lucky that not many of those things, especially on the natural side. The only natural disaster we have here are the human beings running Nigeria leaders.
Country where hunger dey, but the hunger never reach their body. Even the hunger self, it just dey pity because if e reach their body, nobody go even get mind to talk jackpot. Even nobody go even say come outside though, they don't go come outside. Everybody go use the hand come outside. Show where these people don't do it that sha. Upon how you don't try make this revolution work. My brother, I'm gonna tell you the gospel truth. Don't be for Nigeria. Nigeria is the one of the country where we say you no go fit do this country where you want to. But however, I'm gonna leave am for story of another day. Yeah, my people, as that one they happen, this one of Haneze don't come outside contain Nigeria Army and government say this thing where they want do. They think say that by gun and bullet, they no go fit stand waiting they their front. Let's watch the video together before we come back and proceed.
And then some foreign supporters of the IPOB say no, they're not ready to dialogue with the state government. And state government says, well, if you are not ready to dialogue with us, we consider you as criminals and we'll face you. But you can see that they don't even have the capacity to face those ones. And they are still raining mayhem.
Well, Chief,
the governor doesn't have police, he doesn't have army, he doesn't have anything.
Okay, we have to talk about the Southeast agenda now as we close to.
Yeah, my people, don't be smart in. Shebi, you don't watch them. And here when they talk this thing, Oh my people, I beg, may you try to leave your own contribution and your own opinion for inside comment section. Let us know what you think about these people where they plan to go join Nigeria Army, and let us know what you think for Showore matter in one do revolution, and let us think for the message where this one of the chief don't come outside come talk, say that this one maybe say they no go dialogue and say na God say no go fit serve this matter. Let us know what you think for inside comment section as it dey hot. We'll quickly see you for the next update. May try to share this video